Now, if you're like me, you've probably screwed a nozzle into your heat block a little too hard and destroyed the threads because, well, this is aluminum. It's a pretty soft metal. The proper way to put it in would be to use a torque wrench. Now, I don't have one of those lying around, but I do have a Threadripper CPU that came with this Torx tool, and it's got a torque bit in there, and this tops out at 1.5 Newton meters, which coincidentally is just about right for the amount of force needed to torque in a nozzle into a heat block. Now, I was able to remove this Torx bit, and now I've got a shaft in which I can just slide this little piece in, and then I could put a nozzle in here. And I can torque it down because this, much like a torque wrench, will spin and click once it reaches 1.5 Newton meters and let you know to no longer continue threading in the nozzle. So if you have a Threadripper CPU lying around, you can repurpose this tool. Although I will tell you this, to get this little Torx bit out of there, it's held in with some industrial glue. So get yourself a heat gun, heat it up to, I don't know, like 300, 400 degrees Celsius, and then use a vice grip and kind of just pull it off. But once you do that, it's a standard hex head inside of there that fits this tool, and hey, there you go, free torque wrench, kinda.